What if a lot of the things people call coincidences are not a coincidence at all, but instead actually quite predictable? What is numerology? How does it work and how can it help us navigate our lives? These are the things we'll be exploring in this video. Numerology is a fascinating and ancient belief system that has been around for thousands of years in cultures all over the world. At its core, numerology is the study of numbers and their influence on human life. Numerology proclaims that every number has its own unique energy and vibration. So, by understanding the numbers that make up our lives, we can interpret the universe around us, and we will be able to gain insight into our life's purpose and destiny. Numerology has been around for quite some time now, and it is possible to trace it back to ancient civilizations such as Greece, Egypt, and China. Actually, if you had math in school, you probably know the name of the father of numerology quite well. At least if you ever tried to calculate the sides of a right triangle, you must have used his famous theorem, the Pythagorean theorem. That's right, Pythagoras, born in Greece in 570 BCE, is often considered the father of numerology, and his theories are considered to have greatly influenced the development of numerology. Besides being a mathematician, he was also a philosopher and a mystic. Pythagoras believed that numbers have a profound influence on the universe, and that we can use them to understand the nature of things. He taught people to use numbers to predict the future, understand human behavior, and reveal the true meaning of things. Those teachings formed the basis of numerology. Since its origin, numerology has continued to evolve and gain popularity throughout the centuries. Today, there are millions of practitioners from all over the world. There are many different forms of numerology, but the most popular and widely recognized is the Western form. It uses the decimal system, 0 to 9. Each number in numerology represents a unique energy and influence. For instance, number 1 relates to leadership, independence, and self-confidence. It represents a strong start and the ability to stand on one's own 2 feet. Number 2 relates to balance, harmony, and relationships. It represents the importance of finding balance and working well with others. Number 3 relates to creativity, communication, and self-expression. It represents the importance of using one's voice and talents to share ideas and stories with the world. Number 4 relates to stability, organization, and hard work. It represents the importance of building a strong foundation and putting in the effort required to achieve success. Number 5 relates to change, freedom, and adaptability. It represents the importance of being open to new experiences and embracing change. Number 6 associates with love, nurturing, and responsibility. It represents the importance of taking care of oneself and others, and creating a harmonious and loving home environment. Number 7 associates with spiritual growth, wisdom, and introspection. It represents the importance of seeking knowledge and understanding, and the importance of exploring one's own inner world. Number 8 associates with power, abundance, and material success. It represents the importance of creating financial stability, and the importance of striving for success and achievement. Number 9 associates with humanitarianism, compassion, and selflessness. It represents the importance of using one's talents and resources to help others and make a positive impact on the world. In numerology, the central lesson you're meant to learn in this lifetime is found in your life path number, which derivates from your birth date. Your life path number reveals important information about your personality, natural tendencies, strengths, weaknesses, and potential challenges and opportunities. So, to find spiritual fulfillment and meaning in life, it is crucial to understand your life path. Your life path provides a broad overview of the direction you're meant to take in life and the lessons you need to learn. Think about it as a roadmap of your life journey. It provides insight into the traits and experiences that will shape your life. How to calculate your life path number. So, to calculate your life path number, you start by writing out the digits in your birth date. For example, if you were born on January 22nd, 1998, you would write out the digits like this: 1, 2, 2, 1, 9, 9, 8. Then, you add up all the digits and reduce the number until you're left with a single digit. The only exception to this rule is if you end up with the numbers 11, 22, or 33, which are called master numbers. In this case, if you were born on December 13th, 1989, your life path number would be 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 9 is equal to 34 equals 7. your life path number would be 7. There are a total of 12 life path numbers, each with its own unique meaning and frequency. Each life path number also has its own strengths and weaknesses. By knowing them, you will be able to live a more intentional and fulfilling life. If you want to know more about the life path numbers, please watch the video Numerology, Life Path Numbers Explained. There's a link in the description. Next, we have the destiny number, or also known as the expression number. The destiny number in numerology represents a person's inherent traits and potential. How to calculate your destiny number? You will need to convert the letters of your full birth name into numerical values. Here's the process. Write down your full birth name. Include the first, the middle, and the last names as they appear on your birth certificate. Then, assign a numerical value to each letter of the alphabet, with A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals 3, and so on, until Z equals 26. Reduce each name to a single digit by adding up the numerical values of the individual letters. Repeat the process for each name, and then add the resulting single digits together. If the total is a 2-digit number, reduce it further by adding the digits together until you have a single digit. The resulting single digit is your destiny number. Your destiny number represents the opportunities and challenges you may face in life. By understanding your destiny number, you can gain a better understanding of the direction you should take in life and make informed decisions about your future. Next, we have the soul number, also known as the heart's desire number or inner dreams number. It is another core number in numerology. It reveals a person's innermost desires, passions, and motivations, and it provides insight into what truly drives and inspires them. In other words, what really drives them at their core. You can calculate it by adding together the vowels in a person's name, reducing the total to a single digit. So, the soul number can help people have a better understanding of what makes them happy and fulfilled. For example, someone with a soul number of 1 might be driven by a desire for independence and self-expression, while someone with a soul number of 2 might be motivated by the need for love and companionship. A person with a soul number of 8 might be driven by the need for financial stability and success, while someone with a soul number of 9 might be motivated by a desire for helping others. The soul number is a powerful tool for personal growth and self-discovery. By understanding it, people can make more informed decisions about their career, relationships, personal life, and they can strive towards a life that brings them happiness and fulfillment. Next, we have the personality number. This number is a representation of what others most easily recognize in us. Our traits, qualities, and characteristics that are more evident to others. You can calculate it by adding up the consonants in your name and then reducing the sum to a single digit. The personality number is important because it provides insight into the way you present yourself to the world, including your demeanor, attitude, and behavior. It can help you understand how others see you and the impression you make on others. The personality number can reveal a great deal about your social skills, communication style, and ability to form and maintain relationships. For example, someone with a personality number of 1 is often seen as confident and assertive, while someone with a personality number of 2 is seen as sensitive, caring, and cooperative. Understanding your personality number can help you understand your behavior in social situations, and it can also provide insight into the way you interact with others. And the last number we are going to talk about in this video is the maturity number. The maturity number is a numerology concept that has a special significance in a person's later years. It represents a person's journey and growth in life. It's believed to reflect a person's abilities and strengths in later life, as well as the lessons they still have to learn. The maturity number is then calculated by adding the life path number and the destiny number, and reducing the result to a single digit. The maturity number reflects the person's potential for growth and wisdom, and it gives them more understanding as they move through their later years. It's thought to reflect the person's ability to integrate the lessons they have learned throughout their life, and their ability to use this wisdom to bring balance and fulfillment to their later years. For example, a person with a maturity number of 1 may be seen as a leader and innovator, while a person with a maturity number of 9 may be seen as a wise and spiritual person. There are a lot to know about numerology, and this is just an introductory video. In the next videos, we will be exploring all the different numbers and their meanings, and also how can you use it to have a better life. We will also dive into the relationship between numerology and money, health, relationships, spirituality, career, how to predict future events, and so on. Are you excited to know what the future holds for you?